वेलकम टू लेट्स मेक लर्निंग इंग्लिश इजी चैनल। आज हम सीखेंगे वाइल्ड एनिमल्स नेम। यस, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न वाइल्ड एनिमल्स नेम्स। Animals who lives in jungle. The king of the jungle. Yes, lion is the king of the jungle. This animal is mighty lion. Lion. The next animal name is elephant. Elephant. Do you know it is the large land animal and it cannot jump also. The next animal is wild dog. Yes, the dog who lives in jungle are called wild dogs. They are very dangerous. They live in a group. The next animal is deer. Deer. They look so beautiful. You agree with me, right? Leopard. Leopard. The animal on the screen is leopard. Repeat after me. Leopard. Do you know this animal? The name of this animal is tiger. Tiger. Wolf. Wolf. The name of this animal is wolf. Yes, wolf. Hold on, do you know this animal? I think you must have seen him before. The name of this animal is hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. This is the tallest animal. Yes, it is very tall. And its name is giraffe. Yes, the name of this animal is giraffe. Fox. Fox. Do you know? Fox are very cunning and clever. Do you know this? Rhinoceros. Yeah. This animal is rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Jaguar. What this animal is called? Jaguar. Hyena. Hyena. Zebra. Zebra. Look at the white and black stripes on this animal body. The slowest animal. Yes, sloth. Sloth. You know, sloth are very slow but very fast in water. Let's move on. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. They come from Australia and they are known for hopping. Kangaroo. Bear. Bear. They love to eat honey. Boar. Boar. They live in jungle and they are wild pigs. They are very dangerous. Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon. This animal is called Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon. Now, revision time. Let's see. Now tell me what is the name of this animal. I have taught you. Come on, tell me. It is very easy. Fox. Now tell me the name of this animal. I know you can do it. Come on, tell me. Giraffe. King of the jungle. You must know this animal name. He's the pride of the jungle. Come on, tell me. Lion. This is very easy. Come on, tell me the name of this animal. Come on. Yes, you are right. Wolf. Do you know what this animal is called? I know you must know this. Deer. Now tell me the name of this animal. Come on, you can do it. It's not too hard. We have learned it before. Komodo dragon. Yes, you get it right. Thanks for watching. In case if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Let's Make Learning English Easy channel. And don't forget to leave your valuable feedback related to this video in the comment section.